technically be a Tech Tip Thursday, but we're gonna add it onto a Monday video. So today we are taking and we're gonna trip these out. Why are we doing this? Well, currently the unit is a truck stop air compressor at 35 PSI. 35 PSI can fly for a truck. So we're gonna switch this to 70 and raise the maximum up, which this compressor actually is made for and can handle. So first thing we need to do is we need to trip out our coin acceptor. So that's what that orange and yellow wire are. It goes to a point on the board. So if this doesn't work, first of all, check your whatever you're using to trip it. That sometimes might have fallen out. But the other side is sometimes the points are not correct on the board, or it's not even plugged in because we never use those wires. So maybe somebody put a new board in here and didn't realize they needed to plug that in. Then we're going to turn this unit on. So I currently have it on. So we're shorted out. And then I will turn the unit on and I will walk you through the steps on how to reprogram this. So I will get you guys set up in front. There you go. You should have a nice clear view of what we got going on. And I will walk you through. And it's really just 3 little steps that we'll have to do. But first we got to get logged into the machine. So we're watching, and we're watching our numbers. So we're gonna get to 9999. Great, plus, minus. PRTR, we're gonna pull out our paper clip. We're gonna hit I. We're gonna quickly hit plus, minus, and now it should take us in to advanced. We're gonna hit I until we come to HFLO for high flow. So we're gonna just kind of go through these, and my rule of thumb when I'm watching this is you're gonna keep going through all these and you're watching for a bunch of airs. So basically you're watching for air 7, air 9, and air 10. So we're just kind of going through these. Most of these are not going to be anything you want to change or touch, and I'll let you know as we're going. You should see air 7, air 10, and then we're gonna see air 9, HFLO. We are gonna switch to yes. The next thing is current air. So next we're gonna keep going through all of the settings that basically say it's PSI. So yeah, we're gonna keep it PSI. We're not changing it to something different. And we are working our way through to DE. DE is our first pressure, which is going to be 35, which is going to display right away. We're going to switch him to 70. We're going to hit I to save that. The next one is our highest up, or our high point, so that's 80. That's definitely not high enough. I'm going to bring it to 120. I can't remember what we normally set these at, but 120 gets us probably where we need to be. Next one is our low point. We're going to leave that at 4. That's fine. It'll be okay. And then we'll hit that. And once we're through all of those, we just hit flat tire and hit end. So once it's set end, we can just shut the machine off. And give it a second. And then we're going to turn the machine back on. And now on boot up, it should be defaulted to 70 PSI. And there we go, 70 PSI. All right, so hopefully that helps you out. I know that's a couple little things, but this is sometimes the stuff we got to do out in the field.